10 nighttime habits that destroy your sleep health. Fix these. Struggling with sleep. Your nighttime habits might be the reason. Poor sleep affects your energy, mood, and even weight gain. Stay till the end because 9 is something most people don't even realize. 1. Using your phone before bed. Scrolling through social media or watching videos before bed exposes you to blue light, which reduces melatonin and makes it harder to fall asleep. Fix. Avoid screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed or use a blue light filter. 2. Eating heavy or spicy foods too late. Late night meals can cause acid reflux, bloating, and disrupt deep sleep. Solution. Eat your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed and choose light snacks if needed. 3. Drinking caffeine or alcohol too late. Caffeine stays in your system for hours, and alcohol might make you sleepy but disrupts deep REM sleep. Tip. Avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bed and limit alcohol in the evening. 4. Not having a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times confuses your body's natural sleep rhythm. Better habit. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 5. Sleeping in a bright or noisy room. Even small lights from chargers or street noise can disrupt your sleep cycle. Fix. Use blackout curtains, wear an eye mask, or play white noise for better sleep. 6. Taking long naps during the day. Napping for too long, especially late in the day, can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Solution. Keep naps under 30 minutes and avoid napping after 3 p.m. 7. Not unwinding before bed. Going straight from work or stress to bed without relaxing keeps your brain overstimulated. Tip. Create a bedtime routine. Read a book, listen to calming music, or practice deep breathing. 8. Sleeping in an uncomfortable bed or pillow. Old mattresses or bad pillows can lead to body pain and restless sleep. Fix. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows that support your neck and back. 9. Keeping the room too warm. Your body sleeps best in a cool environment. Warm temperatures make it harder to fall asleep. Tip. Set your bedroom temperature to around 60 to 67 degrees, 15-9 C for optimal sleep. Going to bed with a stressed mind. Worrying before bed can cause insomnia and restless sleep. Solution. Write down your thoughts in a journal or practice gratitude before bed to clear your mind. Good sleep is the foundation of a healthy life. Which of these habits do you need to change? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Bonus tip. Try drinking chamomile tea before bed. It naturally relaxes your body and helps with